Hello and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'll be talking about what is Bitcoin. What Bitcoin price, so very everyone is correct Bitcoin and the call created of blockchain technology. It is the world's widest, largest yet expanded commons and no one difficult falling and expensive buying. Elicon, it is like being able to send a gold coin via emails. It is a content network that it builds a new payment system and complexly digital money. It is the first physical peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its user with no control entity or middlemen. Bitcoin was the first particular emissions and accords that most payments should enter bookkeeping system and exchange. Wow, I'm at the end of this video. To find more information, you can go to the Bitcoin website. To find more information about Bitcoin, you can click on one of these links that you want to know about Bitcoin, like Bitcoin, who created Bitcoin, who invented Bitcoin, who is the blockchain, who controls the Bitcoin network, who does Bitcoin work, or free Bitcoin. Wow, yeah, I'm at the end of this video. Thank you for watching.